Our number system is built on the idea of 10. To fully understand place value, you need to see how the pattern of 10 repeats within numbers and how it is used to build numbers. We can show or represent numbers using special tools called base 10 blocks. Larger blocks are built using smaller blocks. The first three block types represent the first three place values or digits of whole numbers: ones, tens, and hundreds. Any smaller block can be used to build larger blocks. It takes 10 smaller blocks to build a block of the next larger size. So 10 ones can be put together to build one 10. Continuing this pattern of 10 helps us build larger numbers too. 10 tens can be put together to build 100 block. Now, if we can use smaller blocks to build larger blocks, it makes sense that we can break larger blocks into smaller blocks. So 100 can be broken up into 10 tens, and 110 can be broken up into 10 ones. Notice, both sides of the arrow equal the same amount. They just use different blocks to show the same number. If we have 3 tens and 5 ones, we can use the pattern of 10 to show different ways to make 35. Break up one 10 into 10 ones. Now 35 is built using 2 tens and 15 ones. Break up one more 10 into 10 ones. Now 35 is built using 1 10 and 25 ones. Break up our last 10 into 10 ones. Now 35 is built using 0 tens and 35 ones. It can be easier to see the pattern of 10 using a chart to show the different ways to make 35. Notice each time we make 35 in a different way, the tens get smaller by 1 and the ones get larger by 10. This pattern is the important relationship that is needed to fully understand place value. Break one larger block into 10 smaller blocks, or combine 10 smaller blocks to make one larger block. The pattern of 10 can also be used to show larger numbers in different ways. If we have 300s, we can break 100 into 10 tens. Now 300 is built using 200s and 10 tens. Break up one more 100 into 10 tens. Now 300 is built using 120 tens. Break up our last 100 into 10 tens. Now 300 is built using 0 hundreds and 30 tens. Once again, we can see the pattern using a table. The same pattern of 10 applies. Each time we make 300 in a different way, the hundreds get smaller by 1 and the tens get larger by 10. Break one larger block into 10 smaller blocks, or combine 10 smaller blocks to make one larger block. Now you have an understanding of how our number system based on 10 works.